Good afternoon, LC people. Well, welcome back to my channel. I've had a bit of a dysfunctional day. I've now built up the brake calipers both sides. Powder coated calipers these were. I've found those out. They've had new seals in and had trouble bleeding them up. We get these master cylinders from eye level, and unfortunately the one I'd put on it was a 250 one, and it took me a hell of a while. And the 350 ones look identical from them, but the piston's bigger inside. But it took a while to sort that out. The neutral light was working yesterday, but not the oil light. And what I discovered was the bulb was actually gone in there. So I replaced the bulb, but then I didn't get the neutral light, which I didn't understand. And I finally tracked it all back down to the fact that the engine isn't earthing in the frame properly. It didn't matter how I tried to earth out the blue wire there to make the neutral light come on, it wouldn't have it. And it just made it very difficult for me. But I did the bulb test. I connected the blue wire up to the negative on the battery, and the other end of that circuit, the light blue wire, I connected the bulb to it and I put it to the positive, and we had a circuit. So what I've done is I've put another earth wire from the engine to the wiring loom, and it's resolved the problems. So that basically has sorted that gremlins out. So it's took a bit of time. I've been out on my bike today, over the back there for half hour, 3/4. Scrubbed the tyres in because I put new tyres on it. But I'll keep you posted about some more progress tomorrow. But do you subscribe, your likes, and whatever it is that we do on the YouTube. But thanks for watching. I will keep you posted tomorrow. But other than that, Dilly Dave's quite happy. So yeah, keep watching if you want to see some more progress. Dilly.